I was different from the beginning. I didn't speak much. I didn't fit in. People thought I was slow. Teachers said I would never succeed. But the truth was simple. I wasn't slow. I was thinking deeper than they expected. While others memorized answers, I searched for questions. They wanted obedience. I wanted understanding. That made me a problem. That made me an outsider. But what they didn't see was this. I wasn't failing at school. I was trying to understand the universe. There were nights when I sat alone, staring at the sky, asking questions no one else asked. Why does time move forward? Why does reality change when we observe it? Why does the universe exist at all? I wasn't chasing money. I wasn't chasing success. I was chasing truth. They told me, be practical. Dreams don't build a future. But I learned something early. People who are only practical never change the world. Loneliness followed me everywhere. But I didn't fight it. I listened to it. Because in silence, you hear your real thoughts. And when you hear your thoughts, you begin to see clearly. I never wanted to be called a genius. I only wanted to understand how things truly work. And one day, while the world ignored me, I understood something powerful. Intelligence is not about speed. Intelligence is about depth. If today you feel lost, if you feel misunderstood, if you feel like you don't belong, maybe the problem is not you. Maybe the world is just moving too fast. Remember this. Those who think differently feel lonely first. But later, they change the direction of the world. I am Albert Einstein. And this is what I learned. Silence is not weakness. Deep thinking is your greatest power.